Hello and welcome back to Crafty Turn. I just wanted to share with you today an album I've made using the beautiful STAMPERIA Furry Friends papers. I have to say these are my latest favourite. I do love them. And I've also used quite a few Cool Cats dies as well. So I've used the Cool Cats Memories die, and on the side here you can see I've used the bead maker guides and the little capucho, whatever they're called, on the bottom there. So let's have a look inside. So on the first page I've made a double pocket. So you've got a deep pocket there, and then you've got a little booklet here. So I've used some of the STAMPERIA big square tags for that. And then I've just got tuck spots here, and again I've used the square tags and the little cute little cat tag at the top there. So on the next page we've got little swivels here, and then this opens and you can see I've used the Cool Cats photo slot dies there. These are made with the Cool Cats swivel dies and the faux brads. And then this opens up, you've got another deep pocket there, and you've got a little tuck spot there, and you've got another photo slot there. So then this all closes up. That comes over the top. That comes over the top. And then I've used the Cool Cats photo wallet die. This is another of my favourite dies. It just gives a nice page. So you can see you've got two photo slots in there, and then that closes up like that. And then on this page, I've done one of the double sliders. So this opens with a little magnet, and then this pulls down, and you've got that, not double slider, double waterfall there, which I just love. I've kept this page very flat because that's very bulky. So I've just used the Cool Cats photo slot dies in there, and I've just used one of the little rub-ons. It's just so cute. Then we've got photo tuck spots, diagonal tuck spots here, and I've used again some of their tags, STAMPERIA tags, just to go in there. And then here we've got, this opens up, and then you've got some tags that you can put photos on there, and lots of photo spaces. And then again, because you've got quite a lot of bulk, just some tuck pockets here. And then always you've got the waterfall. This time I've put photo slots, Cool Cats photo slots on every page, and I've used one of their little tabs at the bottom. And then finally another tuck spot because it's getting quite bulky, and then a large tag there, and I've used the Cool Cats straight slot die, and I've made a little booklet to go inside there. So I hope you like that. There isn't a tutorial for this, but you will find tutorials for most of the pages that I've done on my channel, so you can have a look through and see and find the tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.